How to make and create YouTube music channel art on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account, click on create a design and search for YouTube and click on YouTube channel art. Click on it, it will take you here. Now go to right here and go to the music YouTube channel art and click on see all, and here you have many templates of music. Choose the one that you want. For example, this one looks so professional and you can edit the text like this, for example, and you can make it more small like this, and here you go, you can make it like this. And yeah, it's very easy to edit, as you can see. And after you finish editing your channel art, just go to the top here and click share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.